How to fix statue problem on WhatsApp app on Android or iOS easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome to this new video. On this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the statue problem easily and fast. So don't worry if you have any problem with the statue, this video is going to help you a lot. All what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to apps. Now here on this page you need to wait a few seconds, then scroll until you find WhatsApp app like this. Go to WhatsApp. This is the app information page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do here is so simple. Go to the power usage details, open it, and then go down here. You will find this force stop option, click on it, and now click here on force stop again. And after that you have to do one last thing. Just go down here to the app details option, click on it. It will take you directly to the App Store or Google Play if you have Android, and here you will find the latest version. If you don't have it, you should update your WhatsApp easily by clicking right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe.